Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to convert PDF from KB to MB using a simple online tool. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser on your computer and type PDF. PI7 increased file size into the search bar. Then press Enter. From the search results, open the correct website, because this platform helps increase PDF file size easily online. Step 2. Once the website opens, click on the Select PDF button. This option allows you to browse your PC and locate the PDF file you want to resize, which is necessary to begin the process. Step 3. After selecting the file, click Open to upload it to the website. This step confirms your selection and prepares the PDF for size adjustment. Step 4. Now choose the required file size in MB from the available options and click Increase PDF size. This setting controls how much the PDF size increases from KB to MB. Step 5. After the processing is complete, click the Download button to save the resized PDF file to your computer for use or sharing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.